What's the secret to turning TikTok affiliate marketing into a success story? Why do some creators thrive while others struggle to make an impact? If you've ever wondered why your TikTok affiliate strategy isn't delivering the results you hoped for, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of TikTok Shop affiliate marketing, uncovering why some approaches fail and how tools like Kalodata can help transform your strategy. Let's start with a hard truth. TikTok affiliate marketing is not as simple as slapping a link on a video and hoping for sales. Many affiliates jump in without understanding the nuances of the platform or the tools available to them, and that's where the problems begin. So what's going wrong? The common pitfalls of TikTok affiliate marketing. Lack of data-driven decisions. TikTok is a fast-paced platform where trends change overnight. Affiliates often fail because they're not using data to guide their decisions. Instead of promoting products that align with current trends or high-performing niches, they rely on guesswork. This approach leads to wasted effort and minimal returns. Choosing the wrong products. Not every product is suited for TikTok's audience. Affiliates who don't analyze product performance often end up promoting items that don't resonate with viewers. Without insights into what's trending or selling well, it's like shooting in the dark. Ineffective collaboration with creators. TikTok thrives on authentic content created by influencers who connect with their audience. Affiliates who fail to partner with the right creators miss out on leveraging this trust and engagement. Ignoring analytics tools. Many affiliates don't use platforms like Kalodata to gain insights into top-performing products, creators, and videos. Without these tools, it's nearly impossible to optimize strategies effectively. Introducing Kalodata, your affiliate marketing game changer. Kalodata is a powerful analytics tool specifically designed for TikTok Shop affiliates. It provides insights into trending products, top-performing creators, and even competitor strategies, all essential for making informed decisions. Here's what Kalodata can do for you. Identify high-performing creators. With Kalodata, you can find creators driving significant revenue for products similar to yours. Collaborating with these influencers can amplify your reach and sales potential. Analyze product trends. The platform lets you explore categories and track which products are gaining traction. This ensures you're always promoting items that align with audience demand. Optimize content strategy. Kalodata highlights top-performing videos in your niche, giving you inspiration for your own content while helping you understand what resonates with viewers. Track competitor performance. Stay ahead by analyzing competitors' strategies and identifying gaps in their approach that you can capitalize on. Why some affiliates fail despite using tools like Kalodata. Even with access to advanced analytics, success isn't guaranteed. Here are some reasons why affiliates still struggle. Not using insights effectively. Having data is one thing, knowing how to use it is another. Affiliates often fail because they don't translate insights into actionable strategies. Poor content execution. TikTok is all about creativity and authenticity. Affiliates who create generic or uninspired content won't capture viewers' attention, no matter how good their product or strategy is. Inconsistent effort. Success on TikTok requires consistent posting and engagement. Affiliates who don't maintain a steady presence lose momentum and potential sales. How to turn things around. If your affiliate strategy hasn't been working, don't worry. It's never too late to pivot. Here are actionable steps to get back on track. Leverage Kalodata's free trial. Start by exploring Kalodata's features during its free trial period, no credit card required. Use this time to familiarize yourself with its analytics capabilities and identify areas for improvement. Focus on high-performing niches. Use Kalodata to analyze trending categories and choose products that align with those niches. Collaborate strategically. Reach out to top creators identified through Kalodata who have a proven track record in your niche. Build partnerships that benefit both parties. Create engaging content. Study successful videos in your category using Kalodata's Video Insights tool and replicate their style while adding your unique touch. Track your progress. Continuously monitor your performance using Kalodata's metrics to refine your strategy over time. TikTok affiliate marketing can be incredibly rewarding, but only if approached strategically. Tools like Kalodata provide the insights needed to make data-driven decisions, but success ultimately depends on how well you execute your plan. If you're ready to take your TikTok affiliate game to the next level, click the link in the description below for a free 7-day trial of Kalodata, plus 15% off if you decide to subscribe. It's time to stop guessing and start growing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.